can still vividly recall when I was second year college. There is one time na naguling ko from school, puli ko sa boarding house, and it's around 8 p.m. in the evening. Tapos madagi na ako danto sa ngit-ngit nga liblib na basta Kilid's Highway. There was this one girl nga sige siya gila sa kilid, and that time, padagi na po saya, the spirit was telling me, go to that person, baliki, and encourage that person. Pero ako mahatro ko because I don't know that person. That person is a stranger. Pero santa poli ko sa Muneos, tingin ko mapakali. Something is pulling me back ato nga street. So babalik na ako dito sa street. Nakita yun na ako nga katong girl. She was about to kill herself by padagang siya sa usa ka 10 meters. She really wanted to end her life that time. Pagkabuk na siya, kay kita niya nga maiptan din siya. Ako siya gibira. Kinaapsa pa man ako siya. Albira na ko siya kay she was really crying. Dili kami yung nahilak lang. Kanang grieving, libitong kakulang namatyan ba siya? She's really in so much pain. So much pain. Ya katong nga time, pagbira na ko siya naging konmido nga beside the highway pa din na. Yung ko siya nga, nakita ka kadali kanina. And pagpauli na ko, I was not okay. Nagauli ko nga, biyaan ta ka. And something was pulling me back sa imo nga. I don't know your name. I don't know asa magikan. I don't know o sa imong course, asa ka pauli, asa ka padulong. Pero one thing I know, yung sa gishin ako tong word bitaw sa Bible na the pain that you're facing today is incomparable. Hindi siya maikumpara sa joy na moabutay if you will just endure this pain. And ginan ako siya nga, you know what, Miss God saw you in all the things imo yan. You might be broken, and all the words na kung gi-encourage siya, iyan lang siya na God is with you, and God sees you. Nasya tayo sa buong life. And when she smiled, and then she hugged me, then later on dayon, niulit ako kaya dali ko ato na ako yung nila assignment. Then pagka-ugma, pagka-Warner, na-remember pa na ko iyang lawo, pagtabo ko sa pedestrian lane sa Muswan, naa siya sa Amutika. Then you know what? She recognized me that time. So pagtabok ako sa pedestrian lane, iyang igong gisilitan, Sir! So actually sa mga tumitaw sa apatag, ganti na. Pero siya nga, Sir, ako tong gabi, may inunggi ko ang istorya. I thank you so much for saving me. Dito sabi ko, wow, katuwa tayo nga pumod, di ako kasing-kasing. A simple encouragement can really save life. Muna iyan diyon ni Apostle Paul. If you have the gift of encouragement, do it because it's serving love to these broken people. For just as each of us has one body with many members, and these members do not have all the same function. So in Christ, though many, we form one body, and each member belongs to all the others. We have different gifts, sabi dito. If your gift is prophesying, sabi niya dito, then prophesy. If your gift is serving, then serve. If your gift is teaching, then teach. If your gift is to encourage, then encourage. If your gift is to lead, then do it diligently. If it is to show mercy, do it cheerfully.
Pastors, leaders, teachers, are you still struggling to build strong, consistent disciples in your church? This used to be my problem too, before when I was leading a life group. Wala kaming system and tools, kaya ang hirap. That's why I am about to share to you guys all the materials that me and my team of leaders personally used, which have been so effective in making my ministry go trifold. From fundamentals, cell group lessons, encounter retreat materials, and many more. The best part, it comes with guides, speaker's notes, and ready to teach PowerPoint presentations, all premium. And this has been our blueprint in the ministry. And now I am sharing it with you because we only have one goal, to go and make disciples. But without proper tools, nga. That's why if you're interested, go and click the funnel link in the caption and register for our waitlist so you'll be updated before we finally launch it. Of course, we have a gift for early birds, but it's limited. Note, after registration, go click and join our messenger community. Nasa iisang link na lahat yon. So, see you soon and God bless.